What is the most basic and beginning of studying Korean? That's Hello, everyone. What is the most basic and beginning of studying Korean? That's learning the Korean alphabet. Today, we're going to learn about the Korean alphabet, which is very important in learning Korean. This is a really important part of learning Korean, so please pay attention. First, the Korean alphabet is called Hangul. It is used to write Korean language. The Korean alphabet is made up of consonants and vowels. For reference, consonants are called tam in Korean. Vowels are called mom in Korean. These consonants and vowels come together like blocks to form a single letter. To make it easier to understand, we'll study vowels first, then consonants. The vowels consist of 10 basic vowels and 11 compound vowels. In this lesson, we'll start by learning the basic vowels. Don't worry, we'll also be learning compound vowels. Compound vowels are easier to understand when you know the basic vowels. The Korean language was born by imitating many forms. The vowels was created by imitating the shapes of the sky, the earth, and people. It was created by imitating the round shape of the sky. It was created by imitating the flat shape of the earth. It was created by imitating the figure of a person standing. For example, like this. Vowels were created by adding and transforming strokes one by one in the letters. Here's how to pronounce basic vowels. If you pronounce the letter A, it's A. If you pronounce the letter O, it's O. If you pronounce the letter O, it's O. If you pronounce the letter U, it's U. If you pronounce the letter U, it's U. If you pronounce the letter E, it's E. If you pronounce the letter Ya, it's Ya. If you pronounce the letter Yo, it's Yo. If you pronounce the letter Yo, it's Yo. If you pronounce the letter U, it's U. These are important contents, so you need to practice them repeatedly. Here's how to write the basic vowels. The basic principle of writing Korean is to write from top to bottom, left to right. Here's the sequence. Today, we studied the basic vowels of the Korean alphabet, which are the most important and basic in studying Korean. Don't forget the basic vowels. The most important thing in studying Korean is reviewing. Please watch the video repeatedly and review it again. If you found today's lesson helpful, please click on subscribe and like buttons. We have a lot of great Korean lessons coming up, so stay tuned. Then, we will come back next time with a more kind and informative lecture. See you next time.